Changed the stock big mufflers for the WRX VB TR, and we have the PLM axle back exhaust. Now these don't have any mufflers at all, so I want stock ones. Check that out, guys. Look how big of a difference that would be. And we got my boy Nate right here installing this. So what's up, Nate? All right, let's get into this. Let's see how it sounds like. All right, guys, so we're halfway done there. We've already done the passenger side of the axle back exhaust. Now Nate's gonna do the driver's side now. This should be fun, I think. Besides the axle back, we have the PLM JPIPE downpipe here. Now, the car definitely sounds a little bit different, especially from being stock. But now that we're gonna install the axle back or the muffler delete, this is gonna sound even better. It's gonna sound louder, so stay tuned on this one. This is gonna be good. Stay at 3,000 RPM. 5,000. We are dynoing the WRX VB right now. J-pipe, downpipe, PLM, and also axle back. Sounds pretty good, honestly. So we got 251.67 horsepower and 256 torque.
First baseline we had, it only read like mid 230s.
Okay. Wait, what? How much? Mid 230s?
I gotta double check. It wasn't 250.
Okay. 60. But again, our dyno runs a little bit low, so there's some quite difference in there. But you know, J-pipe, downpipe, and also the PLM axle back muffler delete or axle back exhaust that we just installed today. We made some good progress from 233 to 251. So that was the best out of all. So anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We got more stuff. We got more plans for the WRX VB TR. And hope you guys are enjoying these contents. We got more parts coming out, so stay tuned.